Let us treat laws of logarithm. In this video, we'll be looking at the product rule as well as the division rule. We have some set of questions here which I will use to explain the rule. We'll start with the product rule. Log AX to base B. According to the product rule, when you have the logarithm of terms that are related by multiplication, you use addition to separate the terms into their individual log. And so, log AX to base B is equal to log A to base B plus log X to base B. Let's look at the number 2. We have log XYZ to base M. Looking at the terms, they are related by multiplication, that is x times y times z. And according to the multiplication law, this will be equal to log x to base m plus log y to base m plus log z to base m. Number 3, we have log 4a square to base x. Now, 4 and a square are related by multiplication, and according to the product rule, this will become log 4 to base x plus log a square to base x.
We can solve this further, but we are ending it here because we are only explaining the law. Next, the division law of logarithm. The division law says if you have the logarithm of terms that are related by division, use negative sign or minus sign to separate the numbers so that each of them will have its own log. So we have log y divided by x to base b will be equal to log y to base b minus log x to base b. We use negative sign because the terms are related by division. Look at this next question. We have log 2a to base divided by n to base m. This will become log 2a to base m minus log n to base m. Then looking at this closely, 2 and a are related by multiplication. So we can further expand by saying log 2 to base m plus log a to base m, then minus log n to base m. We use plus in separating these two because they are related by multiplication, as we have seen earlier in the multiplication law. Then finally, we have log n square all over cube root of a to base x. These terms here are related by division, and so according to division rule, we can write it as log n square to base x minus log square root of a to base x.